Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many Android users often ask if it's possible to run two separate Outlook apps on a single phone. Perhaps you want to keep your work and personal emails completely distinct. The straightforward answer is no, you cannot install two distinct instances of the same official Outlook app directly from the Google Play Store. The Outlook application itself is designed to manage multiple email accounts. You simply add your personal and work accounts right inside the single Outlook application. It keeps them organized and accessible from one unified interface. You can easily switch between your different inboxes within the app. However, if your goal is to have two completely independent app icons or separate app environments, there are effective methods to achieve this. One common and very secure way is using Android's built-in work profile feature. This creates a dedicated, secure space on your phone for work-related applications. Your IT department often manages this. Within the work profile, you can install another instance of the Outlook app, giving you a distinct work Outlook icon separate from your personal one. These two apps operate independently, keeping your data separate and secure. Another option involves using third-party app cloning tools. These applications can duplicate existing apps, essentially creating a second Outlook app icon. Exercise caution with these tools, ensuring they come from a trusted source due to the sensitive nature of email data. Finally, you could use the official Outlook app for one account and then use a different, reputable email client application for your other Outlook account. This provides two distinct app interfaces and icons on your home screen. Each method offers a way to separate your Outlook experiences on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.